XRP's been the underdog of crypto for years, but 2025? Buckle up, folks. We're counting down the 5 explosive events that could turn this loser into the ultimate crypto comeback kid. Spoiler, number 1 will make Elon Musk tweet about it. Probably. Will XRP hit $10? Rocket or crash like my Yex's NFT collection? Hey crypto fam. It's your boy/girl, Finance SQ. And today we're talking about the biggest question in crypto. Will XRP finally wake up from its nap in 2025? I've got the top 5 events that could send this coin to Mars. Or at least to the corner store for a Lumbo-flavored Slurpee. Let's go. Not financial advice, but definitely fun advice. Event number 5. The SEC lawsuit ends. Finally, imagine waiting for a pizza delivery for 3 years. That's the XRP army waiting for the SEC lawsuit to end. But in 2025, this legal drama wraps up. If Ripple wins, analysts say XRP could pump 300% faster than a TikTok trend. And if they lose? Well, let's just say hodlers might need therapy. But hey, drama sells, right? Prediction: lawyers become crypto influencers. Event number 4. Central banks adopt XRP. Central banks are like that one friend who says they hate TikTok, then posts dance videos at 2 a.m. Rumor has it, the Fed and ECB are eyeing XRP for their CBDCs. If that happens, XRP becomes the Starbucks of global payments, basic, everywhere, and kinda overpriced. JP Morgan even called it the bridge for $5 trillion daily. That's enough money to buy Twitter twice. XRP, serving banks since 2012. Event number 3, the Fortune 500 Whale Partnership, XRP's dating profile says. Loves long walks to the moon, seeks Fortune 500 partner for meaningful transactions. In 2025, Ripple could land a massive partnership. Think Amazon using XRP for payments or Apple making a crypto wallet. And when that happens, XRP's price will jump faster than a Redditor selling Dogecoin at 3 a.m. Breaking: Jeff Bezos seen wearing XRP socks. Event number 2. U.S. crypto regulation clears up. Right now, U.S. crypto regulation is as clear as my grandma's meatloaf recipe. But in 2025, Congress might finally say, XRP, you're not a security. Cue Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance relisting it like hotcakes. And you know what happens next? FOMO, baby. Even your dentist will start shilling XRP. SEC, we're cool now. Event number 1. The Black Swan Event. This is the big one. Imagine if a country like Japan or Mexico ditches the dollar for XRP. Or Visa integrates Ripple Net overnight. The internet would break. Crypto Twitter would melt. And XRP, it'd go full Wolf of Wall Street. Helicopters, yachts, the works. Will it happen? Maybe. But in crypto, even the wildest rumors can move markets. So keep those moon boots ready. XRP hitting $100? Stranger things have happened, so will XRP dominate 2025? Drop a gemstone in the comments if you're betting on it. Smash that like button if you want part 2. Subscribe so you don't miss the crypto chaos. And hit the bell, because even my dog knows notifications are life. And remember, in crypto, hope is not a strategy, but memes are. Peace out. XRP army assemble.